What's up, y'all? I'm Black Talent Sport, and in today's video, it came about due to a subscriber's request some time ago on one of my other videos. The request was, can you do a video of what Bullet sounds like with all the windows up? So I looked through my archive and I realized I never actually did that type of video. Everything else was with the windows down, and you know, so this subscriber wanted to know what Bullet sounds like when everything is closed up. I want to remind you guys, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I come out with these videos. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps my videos get around to other viewers such as yourself, and also it helps YouTube bring you similar content. Thank you very much. So that's what we're doing today. I couldn't do that video at the time the request was made because Bullet was having some issues with wheel bearings. You can hear that in some of my other videos. I had loud humming, man. The right front wheel bearing was done, so it was humming. So I had it replaced, but the thing is, you know, when I went into the shop, went into Brooklyn Motors to get it replaced, and you know, it appeared that almost everything up there was seized up. So I had to get both bearings replaced. They could not, well, the axle was actually making noise when I turned left and right, the clicking. So I knew my axles was bad, so I had them replace the bearings, the axles, and the axles would not come out of the hub and the spindle. So I had to replace bearings, spindle, and axles. Big bill. So now that I got that replaced, all that's all fixed up, you know, you can hear just the exhaust sound now. So that's what we're doing today, the exhaust, interior exhaust sound. All right, so let's move right along to the sound clips of the interior sound clips with everything up, all the windows and sunroof closed. But before we do that, just a very quick rundown of the system. It's the PPE Catless Downpipes. I also have, excuse me, O2 Sensor Defoulers. And in the middle, I have a custom Xpipe to delete that third cat. And then that leads to the Borla S-Type with the CF tips. All right, so let's do, what I'm going to do is a cold start first, then some normal driving, and then I'm going to move on to like maybe some pulls. All right, so this is what the cold start sounds like with everything closed up. There it is. That's the idle now. It's about 73 degrees outside right now, so it's not cold. So the cold start is not going to be as long as if it was hot, if it was cold outside. When it is relatively warm, the cold starts are pretty, you know, they're pretty quick. But I always wait the 15 minutes or so, or at least until the gauge starts to move before I move off. You know, gotta protect the engine. You gotta put some heat in the engine before you start driving. And I'm not about to beat up on it or anything. So, but anyway, that is the cold start of a straight piped Explorer Sport. Again, it's relatively quiet. It's quiet. Well, on the inside. The outside is very aggressive. I'll probably put a link to the first cold start with this setup. Yeah, it's aggressive. So now that bullet is warmed up, didn't take long at all. I'm just gonna move out. Just gonna do some regular accelerating. Nothing crazy yet. Well, I'll be getting on the highway in a few moments. It's got a few more blocks, so I might be able to get some more normal driving in. Remember, I drive in sport mode. Currently, I'm in auto. Do a little pull. Gotta love those pulls on that little downshift. Really wish I had a burble and flame tune, man. I have the GearHead Power Pack Tune. Love the tune, don't get me wrong. But you know, just I'm missing the burbles, man. I need burbles. I only know of one 3.5 EcoBoost tuner that actually offers a burble and flame tune. I really might try it out. I believe it's Ortiz. I'm very happy with the GearHead tune, but I want to try the Ortiz at some point, just for the purpose of listening to hear it, see what is bullet going to sound like with the burble tune. Which I'm going to probably look into doing a comparison video after I change this slipping transmission. This transmission is slipping bad. It has been for a while. I haven't said much about it, but it is. You know, it's that time. It needs to be replaced, which I'll do, you know, hopefully soon, man. I need some help, and hopefully I'll be getting some. Traffic is hella crazy right now, but we're gonna try to get some highway pulls in. Stay tuned for the highway pulls. Might take some time. Now, I'm not about to make this a cutting up video. The traffic is just starting to ease up a bit so you can hear what it sounds like. That was an underpass. Oh, I'm in manual mode now, by the way. Sport mode, manual mode. It's an SRT. Still nice though. Just like that, traffic is back to a crawl. I'll try to do some normal driving, maybe in cruise control when I get the chance. So this is just going to be an example of coming from an on-ramp onto the highway and then going to cruise control. I always like to make an entrance, so torque steer. Put it into manual mode, auto mode. Then I'm going to hit cruise control at 70 miles per hour. And that's it. Just at 70 miles per hour. Windows up. Very quiet, but listen to it. So quiet. Check out what happens when I get on the throttle. Then she wakes up. Right back to being quiet. Sound like it just shifted back into 6th gear. That's it. Nobody will know if you have an exhaust until you do this. Nobody will know. Well, alright, well that's going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the sound clips of how Bullet sounds and, you know, a little POV action as well. Right, if you would like to make, or if you would like for me to make any type of videos, please don't hesitate to leave that in the comments below. I really appreciate it. I read it, and if it's something that I can do, I do it. You know, if you look back, I've always done that. So, you know, make your requests known in the comments below. Right? If you have any other input, let me know in the comments below as well. All right, so I want to thank you guys for watching, and please continue to smash that like button and subscribe. Have a blessed day, and peace out.